Saving money is not enough anymore. Your money should work for you. That's why high-yield savings accounts exist. But what exactly is a high-yield savings account? It's a savings account that pays much higher interest. Sometimes 5 to 10 times higher than regular banks. Now let's learn how to open one step by step. Step 1. Choose the right bank. Online banks usually offer higher interest rates. Traditional banks often pay very low interest. Step 2. Compare interest rates. Look for APY, not just interest rate. APY shows your real yearly earnings. Step 3. Check account fees. Avoid monthly maintenance fees. Step 4. Check minimum balance requirements. Some banks require zero minimum balance. Step 5. Make sure your money is insured. In the US, look for FDIC insurance. Step 6. Prepare your documents. You usually need an ID and personal information. Step 7. Apply online. Most applications take less than 10 minutes. Step 8. Fund your account. You can transfer money from another bank. Step 9. Enable automatic savings. This helps you save consistently. Step 10. Monitor your interest growth. Watch your money grow every month. High-yield savings accounts are low risk. They are perfect for emergency funds. But they are not for quick trading. Think long-term, not short-term. Even small amounts can grow over time. Consistency is more important than amount. Now you know how to open a high-yield savings account. Start today and secure your financial future. Your money deserves better growth. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope this video helped you understand high-yield savings accounts better. Smart saving is the first step toward financial freedom. Remember, your money should always work for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to the channel for more finance and money tips. Turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Check the description for helpful links and resources. See you in the next video.